Okay, welcome again to Wickerson Studios. Uh, I posted another one, Chapter 3 of the Tao, and there is a connection between these scripts and this text and these geometries and what's being made as I pull them through animations. And I'll just run this little animation right now. It's pretty simple. It's a variable pipe that kind of transitions. And it is a response to these texts. I try and think extremely simple in a sense of maybe the conservative nature of what's being talked about here and what's being criticized within the third chapter is something that I'd symbolize maybe in the params through uh, if I grabbed, well, actually in displays, if I grabbed a vector display and I took my vector and anchored it in here, you'd see it's kind of conservative in its nature, thinking up or down, and really making that a little more interesting through playing with um, obviously a little bit of, well, that's kind of irrelevant in the start end, something I can play with in the sense of what's being created. I have a little bit of parametric control. Apologize, it's so small. Playing with the variable pipes, um, transitioning them. Try to build something organic or beautiful or whatever you want to think about. Uh, uh, Taking an animation that's basically built on a number slider. I pull in a positive and negative domain into a range. That range itself informs a series of points that can be represented as a vector in two directions. I can rotate that, start to play with the geometries associated with lofting that and putting on a variable pipe that I can begin playing with the radii associated or diameter of that pipe. Um, yeah, I wouldn't have made it if I didn't read the text, so it must be connected in some way. But I'm going to leave it as a simple animation, nice and easy. I'll script it. I'll bring all my Dao to Jing and Genesis into GitHub, and I'll make some links. And hopefully you find these scripts interesting and you'd like to try them out and copy them and learn a little bit about Grasshopper in the process.